everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sundari. Nice to meet you. And today's video is on this subscription that I got from online called Curlkit. If I can pick it up. Curlkit. And I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's in it. I just pulled it out of the envelope. So let's see. So yes, this is a subscription that you sign up for, and it is $25 a month, but I got it on a discount for my first one for $12.50. Yeah, and when you open it, it has this tissue paper that's all torn up. It says new Lotta Body with milk honey, and it came with this little booklet, Wanderlust, Curl Life. I guess it's just basically showing me what is in my kit content. Yeah. So we got Lotta Body with milk honey, Restore Me cream conditioner. We got the Nourish Me leave-in conditioner, Restore Me cream shampoo, Style Me texturizing lotion, curl defining mousse, and a deep conditioning mask. And that's everything that's in here. And all of this was only $12.50 for my first month's subscription. So I'm gonna show y'all all of the content together. So here are all of the products. These are 5 full-size products, a little simple deep conditioner, all for $12.50 or regularly $25 a month, which is incredible because hair products are expensive, so expensive. I almost forgot, I will also link a discount code where you get 10% off if you decide to sign up for the Curlkit. I will drop that below also so you can get your 10% off. So yes. So I just wanted to give a little short video and show you guys what I got in my first month Curlkit. I do have one more month that I've already paid for, so I will be showing that. And yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all see me using these products within the next couple of videos. So stay tuned, be ready, and I hope you like this. If you're interested in the Curlkit, I will definitely drop the information below in my description box so you can go check it out and sign up. And yeah, hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.